Uh, okay, let me share my screen. Okay, hi. My name is Aziz, the Scrum Master for KetupatLab. So, here is our backlog for Sprint 4. The only members who are currently working on Sprint 4 are Rauda, Ang, T, and also me. And here we can see that we already proceeded for to go to the testing, and most of it of the features for Sprint 4 has already been done. So that's it from Rauda for the update for Sprint 4.
Okay. Let me show you my screen. Can you guys see? So for the last sprint, which is manage lesson, I managed to put the interface here in assign lesson part, manage activity, sorry. So this is the manage activity. These are all updated, except there are some buttons that cannot be fixed, and I'm trying to fix the bug. So I think that's all from me. Next.
Okay, and then uh, we can go to Pavani next for the update.
All right. Hi. Wait, let me share my screen. Okay, so since for my own class module, I've actually completed all the module, and it's currently now most of it is in testing and most of it is done with testing. So I've moved on to create some games for the lessons. So one example of the game is the memory game. So as you can see, when I click the memory game, it will put it in. So my up to this point, I've already created two games, which is memory game and quiz game. And what's challenging for me is that to add new games, I have to make sure that it can be configured within this lesson page, and it's quite difficult to make it configurable. So, moving forward with this sprint, I will create new games and make sure that they are configurable inside this lesson page. That's all from me.
Okay, and then we can go to Shafina next for the update for Sprint 4.
Let me
Shafina.
share screen. Okay. You can see the UAT. For this the UAT, we have tested so far, and most of them are positive. And the function are working as expected, and a few features have a backend implemented. But the front end is not fully connected yet, and so there is still in progress. That's all from me.
Okay, thank you. Next update will be from Ang Chunwei.
Okay, so for mine, I'm not going to share my screen, but I will be updating for you all. For my part, everything is not, the progress is still the same, but for right now, I'm focusing on fixing all the bugs because that I've already done everything that for my module. So that's all for my update.
Okay, and finally from Tay.
Okay. So same as Anga, so I'm not able to share screen now. So but I can share that what I'm doing is like seeing integrated, so AI generated page it can run, but maybe it sometimes it doesn't like run the expected result I want. So I still fixing so I hope I can do it as soon as possible.
Okay,
So thank you.
so last I'm going to present my part. So here is my user story. Is the ability for the teachers to automatically enroll students for the classes so that the students need to take the lessons mandatory. And I already created that feature in the class, and when viewing the class, there'll be the lesson that is mandatory for the students. which is this is the name of the students that needs to do the lesson. And there's a little bugs just for the students' view, like they cannot see the lessons, and it's a bit buggy for that. And other than that, I'll be done with my Spring 4 update. And just to recap back for everyone, we need to change our language for our system, standardize it to BM, and make it everything focusing on HCI subjects. So that's all from us for our SDM update. Thank you.